What if you could stop typing the same emails, messages, and replies over and over again and save hours every single week? Well, that's exactly what TextExpander is designed to do. And honestly, even though it's not the newest productivity tool in 2026, it might still be one of the most useful. So in this video, I'll show you what TextExpander does, its best features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and whether it's actually worth using. So first, what exactly is TextExpander? TextExpander is a productivity tool that lets you create shortcuts called snippets. For example, instead of typing a full email every time, you can type a short keyword like sem email, and TextExpander instantly expands it into a complete message. You can use it for emails, customer support replies, meeting notes, links, signatures, templates, code snippets, and much more. And the best part is that it works across many different apps and websites. Now let's talk about the best features. The biggest feature is obviously snippets. You create reusable text shortcuts and trigger them with a few keystrokes. Another really useful feature is fill-ins. This lets you create templates that automatically ask for names, dates, or other information before inserting the final text. TextExpander also includes team sharing, so businesses can create shared libraries of approved responses that everyone can use. This is especially useful for customer support, sales teams, healthcare documentation, and recruiting. Another newer feature is AI recommendations, which can suggest snippets based on what you're typing. Now let's talk about pricing. TextExpander offers an individual plan starting at around $3 per month when billed annually. There are also business and growth plans that add collaboration tools, permissions, analytics, and team management features. For companies, there are enterprise options as well. Now, what are users saying online? Honestly, most reviews are very positive. A lot of long-term users say TextExpander saves them hours every week and becomes part of their daily workflow. Many people love how simple it is to set up and how much repetitive typing it removes. But there are some downsides. The biggest complaint is pricing. Some users feel the subscription model is expensive compared to one-time purchase alternatives. Others have reported occasional software conflicts with apps like Outlook or Microsoft products. And some users still want better mobile support and improvements for iPhone workflows. So, is TextExpander worth using in 2026? Honestly, if you spend hours every day typing emails, customer replies, notes, or repetitive content, TextExpander can save a surprising amount of time. It's not flashy like many AI tools, but it's one of those productivity apps that quietly improves your workflow every single day. For teams, customer support agents, recruiters, writers, and professionals, it's definitely worth considering. If you want to try TextExpander for yourself, I've left the link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know which productivity or AI tool I should review next.